We got this little squall line moving in here. We've already had a number of thunderstorms today, so the temperature's already pretty cool. It's 70 degrees, and I thought we would see a pretty nice shelf cloud with some striations above it. And I bet that exists, but in the way is this kind of frontally forced band of super low clouds. In fact, you can see from the evaporation from the earlier rain, some of the moisture just being picked right up off the tops of the hillside here. Looking off toward the northwest, you can see the river there, but there's some brighter color just behind that low cloud, and man, if that wasn't in the way, I have a feeling, just based on the radar, that this, especially if it's disconnected from the surface, given the cooler temperatures, that this would be some really spectacular, sculpted, kind of laminar smooth line of storms coming in. You see the winds aloft. It's dead calm down here, but the winds aloft are still screaming. You can see just how fast these cloud tags are moving, so I'm not sure how long I'll be able to stay airborne with this, but down here on the ground it's just kind of like cool but murky, foggy. Still a lot of the rain from earlier trying to evaporate, and you can see that happening right here. It's just these higher hilltops, some of the moisture trying to evaporate and condensing right off. That's pretty cool. Pretty dark out too. So yeah, the squall itself is buried just behind these super low cloud tags in front. It's just really neat to watch. I mean, I can see them overhead now. These low clouds just screaming by. They'll probably have to be easily 50, 60 miles an hour. I'm hoping I'm gonna drop it. I just don't feel comfortable with this drone. Is it gonna get ripped out of the sky by strong winds? Oh, here comes the rain anyways. Good call. There's gonna be some wind with this for sure. Holy smokes, I did not plan this well.
Landing.